If you are searching for a strong cross-effective underground conduit, then DB2 might be the great choice. DB2 stands for Direct Barrier Type 2, a Canadian standard PVC conduit made for underground applications. DB2 conduit is zinc pattern, corrosion resistant, moisture proof, mentioned in CSA C22.2, number 211.1 standard. DB2 conduit is lighter and more flexible than traditional Schedule 40, but still strong enough for common ferrite cable protection. For example, a 2-inch C2 Schedule 40 conduit weighs about 3.2 km per 10 feet length. The same DB2 conduit is just 1.7 km. Lightweight means faster installation, reduced labor strain, and lower shipping costs. At Ctube, we produce CSA Certified DB2 conduit in sizes from 2 inches to 6 inches with straight or bell ends, or customizable to your purchase needs. Contact us to learn more.